Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews and all that other jazz. And in today's video, I'm actually going to share a couple of my new favorite concealers with you. And I just thought I'd make a quick video just to show you guys which concealers I'm loving right now and why I'm liking them and what would be best for what skin type. So if you are interested to finding about all this information, just carry on watching this video. However, if you're new to my channel, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. So yeah, let's just not waste any more time and get into this video so I can show you all my favorite concealers right now. So let's start. A little disclaimer, I do have a lot of concealers. So this whole box is full of concealers, and I have to say I am obsessed with every single one in its own way. But I'm gonna go ahead and I picked up a couple of my really top favorites right now, are the one I cannot live without, and are totally my ride and die products. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. For order or anything, well, I do have top two favorites, actually maybe just one favorite. I don't even know how to say it, because there are two different brands which I absolutely love, but I love them equally, so they might be like number one on both. Like, I can't decide which one would be number one in between these two brands, but I do like both of them equally. So in no particular order, I'm gonna start. So the first one I'm gonna show you guys is the Nars, and it's the Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer. You all know this is not something new or anything, but I absolutely love the Nars Radiance Concealer. It's really good to have that no makeup kind of look, or even to do like a reverse makeup. It's one of the best ones I have ever used. The other one from Nars is my I don't think so I will ever stop using this particular concealer. This is from Nars as well, and it's their soft matte concealer. Even though it's a matte concealer, I have a dry under eye area, but it works really well for me. The way I use this particular concealer is I use it just to do like a spot concealing, hyperpigmentation or discoloration concealing, like acne covering, or even to cover my dark circles. I don't probably use this particular formula just to brighten my under eye area or anything, but to cover my dark circles, I absolutely love this one. First of all, it's a pot concealer, and so it means it has much more coverage because it's more wax based instead of water based. So I absolutely love this one. You only need a very small amount of product and it gives you a really full coverage. So these two from Nars are my all-time favorite. They both are, I love them both equally, but they both do different things on your skin. So this one I probably will use it for brightening, or if I'm doing a reverse makeup, but if I want to cover my dark circles, I probably will still go with this one. Absolutely love these. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you is from Tarte Cosmetics. New formula from Tarte is called Power Flex. This is actually a very hydrating concealer again, but it's a full coverage concealer, so it gives you a really super duper full coverage. I do like these, but I wouldn't say it's one of my must-have concealers, but I do like it. If I run out of every other one, my favorite, then I probably will use this, but they are definitely a good concealers. The next one I'm going to show you guys is from Hourglass. We all love our Hourglass concealers. So this next one is from Hourglass. I absolutely love this concealer. When I want to look like absolute flawless, like today I'm wearing Hourglass one, it gives you the most amazing finish, like literally nothing, like it's just like everything airbrushed. Everything is smooth, everything is like radiant, everything is glowy. I absolutely love this. You'll be surprised, it's not actually in my top favorites, but I do love this a lot. I really like it's from Rare Beauty. It's their concealer, which is super duper hydrating again, but it's a very full coverage concealer, so the little amount goes a long way. So the Tarte and the Rare Beauty concealers, I probably will use it like daily basis for my everyday makeup kind of thing, but the Hourglass and the other two I'm going to show you, I will definitely use more for like when I want to stand out, when I want to look absolute airbrushed, flawless, like literally no imperfection kind of thing. So now these two brands are I absolutely equally love, and I cannot pick my favorite between these two because they both are very different to each other, but they both does amazing job. Literally, like, I cannot explain how good they are. So maybe I'm losing the words to explain it, but they are really good. The first one is from Kosas, and it's their hydrating concealer. I absolutely love this one. You can build the coverage from light to medium to full coverage. Really hydrating. Believe me, if you have a dry under eye area, you can absolutely love this concealer because it is so hydrating that you cannot even tell any sort of dryness on your under eye area. I absolutely love these concealers. I even bought a darker shade which is close to my actual skin tone, so I can use it as to cover my dark circles, and the lighter shade for my brightening. This is how much I like. This is my top favorite, I guess, as equally as Kosas. Is Dior Forever Skin Correct. Oh my god, again, I cannot tell you, like, I know Dior stuff is very expensive, not everybody can easily afford it, but if instead of investing in 3 concealers for $15 from drugstore, you just invest in 1 concealer, and I assure you, you're gonna absolutely love it. Such a lightweight formula, super duper full coverage, very hydrating, and it again make your skin look absolutely airbrushed. Love this concealer. All these concealers are my favorite right now, especially from Sephora perspective or say the higher end perspective. So yeah, so this concludes this whole video. I wanted to make a small video for you, so to just show you all the concealers I like right now. If you like this kind of videos, make sure you leave it in the comment section. If you want to see more stuff like this, I'm happy to film it. This takes literally very little time because you can just quickly do it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, guys. Bye.